If you're a blonde, you know how important it is to keep those golden locks looking their best. Purple shampoos are a fantastic solution for neutralizing brassy tones and maintaining vibrant blonde shades. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 purple shampoos that will keep your blonde hair looking fresh and salon-worthy. Whether you're dealing with unwanted yellowing or just want to maintain your cool tones, these shampoos have got you covered. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Fanola No Yellow Shampoo. The Fanola No Yellow Shampoo is a standout product in the world of purple shampoos, particularly renowned for its potent formula. Designed to tackle unwanted yellow tones in blonde hair, this shampoo is a favorite among those with highlighted or gray hair. Key features: Fanola No Yellow Shampoo is distinguished by its intense purple pigment, which effectively neutralizes brassy tones. The formula is sulfate-free, which helps to prevent dryness and maintain the hair's natural moisture balance. It also contains conditioning agents to enhance shine and smoothness. Benefits and usage: apply the shampoo to wet hair, lather, and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. This allows the purple pigments to work their magic on yellow tones. The shampoo helps to maintain a cool, blonde hue while adding shine and reducing the appearance of brassiness. Usability: the shampoo has a rich, thick consistency that spreads easily through the hair. Its potent purple color ensures that it delivers effective results in a short amount of time. However, due to its strong pigments, it's recommended to use it sparingly to avoid overtoning. Durability: the 350 ml bottle is concentrated, so a little goes a long way. With regular use, it should last about 1 to 2 months. Although it's priced higher than some other options, its effectiveness in maintaining a true blonde color makes it a worthwhile investment. In the second spot, we have Redken Color Extend Blondage Shampoo. Redken Color Extend Blondage Shampoo is specifically formulated for blonde and gray hair, offering a balanced approach to color maintenance. Its unique formula helps to neutralize brassy tones while enhancing brightness and strength. Key features: this shampoo features a triple threat formula that includes purple pigments, a strengthening complex, and a blend of nourishing ingredients. It is sulfate-free and contains Redken's proprietary protein complex, which helps to fortify and protect hair from damage. Benefits and usage: apply the shampoo to wet hair, lather, and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. It helps to reduce brassiness and maintain a cool blonde tone while improving hair strength and shine. The added protein complex also aids in protecting hair from future damage. Usability: the shampoo has a smooth, creamy texture that lathers well and rinses out easily. Its subtle, pleasant fragrance adds to the overall user experience. It's suitable for frequent use and works effectively to keep blonde hair looking vibrant and healthy. Durability: the 300 ml bottle typically lasts 1 to 2 months with regular use. Its formulation, which balances color correction and strength building, justifies its mid-range price, making it a reliable choice for maintaining blonde hair. Coming in at number 3 is the Clairol Shimmer Lights Shampoo. Clairol Shimmer Lights Shampoo is a well-known purple shampoo that has been a staple in many beauty routines. It's designed to brighten and refresh blonde and gray hair, making it a go-to choice for those who want to keep their color looking lively. Key features: this shampoo is formulated with violet pigments to counteract yellow tones. It's enriched with proteins and vitamins to strengthen and nourish the hair. Additionally, it's free from sulfates, which helps to prevent stripping natural oils and moisture. Benefits and usage: apply to wet hair, work into a lather, and leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes before rinsing. It effectively neutralizes brassy tones and enhances shine, leaving hair looking brighter and more vibrant. The shampoo also helps to add volume and body to fine hair. Usability: the shampoo has a light, pleasant scent and a smooth texture that makes it easy to apply. It lathers well and rinses out completely, ensuring no residue is left behind. It's suitable for all hair types and can be used regularly to maintain a fresh blonde look. Durability: the 355 ml bottle lasts about 1 to 2 months, depending on usage. Its affordable price and effective formula make it a popular choice among users who want reliable results without breaking the bank. Taking our fourth spot is Matrix Total Results So Silver Shampoo. Matrix Total Results So Silver Shampoo is designed to enhance and maintain blonde and silver hair, making it a valuable addition to your hair care routine. It's known for its ability to neutralize brassy tones and enhance shine. Key features: this shampoo contains purple pigments that help to neutralize yellow and brassy tones. It's also formulated with a blend of nourishing ingredients to strengthen and condition the hair. The sulfate-free formula ensures that it cleanses gently without drying out the hair. Benefits and usage: apply to wet hair, lather, and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. The shampoo helps to eliminate brassy tones and improve overall hair brightness. It also adds a natural shine, making blonde and silver hair look more vibrant and healthy. Usability: the shampoo has a rich, creamy texture that spreads easily and rinses out thoroughly. Its light fragrance is pleasant and not overpowering. It's suitable for regular use and works well to maintain a fresh, cool blonde or silver tone. Durability: the 300 ml bottle typically lasts around 1 to 2 months with consistent use. Its effective color-correcting properties and affordable price make it a good value for those seeking a reliable purple shampoo. And finally, at number 5, we have Kerastase Bain Ultraviolet Shampoo. Kerastase Bain Ultraviolet Shampoo is a premium option for those who want to invest in high-quality hair care. It's specifically designed for blonde, highlighted, or gray hair, providing a gentle yet effective solution for neutralizing brassiness. Key features: this shampoo features a high concentration of violet pigments to combat yellow tones and enhance brightness. It also contains a blend of nourishing ingredients, including hyaluronic acid and edelweiss flower, to protect and hydrate the hair. Benefits and usage: apply to wet hair, lather, and leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes before rinsing. The shampoo helps to maintain a cool, vibrant blonde color while hydrating and protecting the hair from damage. It's ideal for those who want a luxurious, salon-quality product for their hair care routine. Usability: the shampoo has a rich, creamy texture that lathers well and rinses out easily. Its elegant fragrance adds a touch of luxury to the hair care experience. It's suitable for frequent use and delivers professional-level results in the comfort of your home. Durability: the 250 ml bottle generally lasts about 1 to 2 months with regular use. Although it is on the higher end of the price spectrum, its high-quality ingredients and effective formula make it a worthwhile investment for maintaining beautiful blonde hair. Choosing the right purple shampoo is essential for keeping your blonde hair looking its best. These top 5 purple shampoos offer a range of options to suit different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking to neutralize brassy tones, enhance shine, or simply maintain your blonde color, these shampoos have got you covered. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert reviews and hair care tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to keeping your blonde hair fresh and fabulous.